Welcome to my week 10 video. This week we will be going through the week 10 scenario. It states that now that you've learned to set up virtual machines and Docker containers in the cloud, it is time to move databases to the cloud, as you are starting to realize that moving databases is a consistent part of database administration. You should look for ways to do it more efficiently. So firstly, we're going to create our virtual machine, which we're going to do here. So we need to show that you have two virtual machines in the cloud. Both should have settings matching the video in the stepping stone. Okay. So we're going to create a new virtual machine. And I'm going to name it project. MSQL. We're going to keep these changes. And then the container image, I'm going to select this one. We're going to change this to standard. Select. And then we're going to create. Okay, so that has been created. So that's our virtual machine. So it states that we now need to move 3 of our databases to the first virtual machine. Choose from Bowling Entertainment Agency. So we can choose from these databases. After this tutorial, you can again back up your databases and copy them to the VM. Okay. So we're still busy setting up our virtual machine. We're going to open our shell. Pause this. Okay, so it has loaded. what we are going to do is just set everything up from shell. So we're doing that right now. Okay, so what we are going to do is then we're going to copy and paste this command here. Just change the port. Okay, so after we've set up the virtual machine, we're going to move to the firewall. We're going to create one. So we're going to move to this option here. And we were still creating the firewall. So while that is creating, we're going to move our databases now. Then we're going to verify our SQL Server container is running. So let's do that. Okay, so that was created. So we're going to go back to our virtual instances. So what I've done already is I've backed up the virtual machine, the databases on my side. So what we're going to do is just to move them onto the new virtual machine. So what we're going to do is, so it says here, move 3 of your databases to the first virtual machine. And then verify your SQL Server container is running. So that's what we're going to do. So firstly, we're going to go to the shell container, and we're going to search where this is. We're going to upload a file. We'll start off with the bowling league. I saved it as project bowling league example, so that we're going to start with upload this one. So far we were able to transfer the two databases to the new virtual machine. As we can see here, this is the command we ran, is to transfer the bowling league backed up file to the directory. And once that is done, we are able to then move on to the server, and that is where I was able to restore the database here. So we're going to move on to restoring the second one. So after restoring so once we do restore, so this is what we're going to do. We restore in the second database on this virtual machine. I have stored this under home. Let's refresh this. we want to see this file transferred. Okay, so it is transferred. So we want to cancel this one here. Actually, copy this command, just add it here, and then copy this file, place it. Okay, let's see if we can pick up the databases on here that we restored. Let's just connect to this again. So as we can see, we have transferred all three files, or all three databases, to our virtual machine that we've created. And as you can see, we have restored all three of them on the new virtual machine that was created. We are going to move on to the second virtual machine, where we have to transfer three of the other databases. So that is what we're going to do right now. So now we can see that we have restored the three other databases on the second virtual machine, as we can see here. I have done it on the shell, and this is my commands that I've used. So I'm going to start both virtual machines so that we can see both running at the same time. So I want to connect us onto the second virtual machine, which is the new one that I've created. So we're going to copy that address. And then put 49433. Just want to see if it's running. Okay, so now we're going to add the address, the password, I mean. So as which one is this that we're running? Okay, so we've logged into both databases. These are the two virtual machines that we've created that are both running. And when we open them up, we've added the IP address with the passwords. And these are the three databases I've added on this database or the server. And then these are the three others that I've added on the second database. Just to see if we have touched on everything. We've created the two virtual machines. We have moved the databases to the first and second virtual machine. It shows that to connect to both cloud servers, we've done that by using the IP address from the virtual machines, and both are running. That will be all. Thank you so much.